Hello, I'm Sophie, and I look a little ugly right now. I'm Sophie. Oh, the camera was just on. Okay. Go get Daddy, go get Daddy. It's right there. Okay, I'm Sophie. I'm 14 years old. I'm a freshman. And this is my sister, Lydia. She's camera shy. She's gonna be a junior. And I made her bet with I made a bet with her that I no wait, we didn't give her a shot. Okay. I told her that if she makes daily vlogs, I'm just gonna like help her out and then she can do them on her own. If she makes daily vlogs every day for a month, I'll give her $100 because, and I don't even have $100. I'll probably have to make it or something because she needs a job and I don't think she can do it anyway. So I'm not kidding. She's really lazy. Okay.
We haven't seen her ages.
I already did. I said I'm 14. And she's 16.
And she's gonna be a freshman, and I'm gonna be a junior.
And we're sisters! Oh! Okay, I'm just gonna upload this and see.